Antayin na lang natin si Macpelo, tapos tayo na tayo kumain.
Sige, Mac. Parang last year lang, ha? Tayo lahat. Tayo. Ay, hindi ko nakita. Pag-email na to, pag-email.
Sabi ko kay Pusay, hindi ako nagpapag-get. Pero dahil sa kay Ria, papapag-get.
Next step na.
Back shots. Yung mga tinira nila, lalaki, tapos bumuboard eh. Diretso yung kinuha niya sa ilalim.
Sama kami? Min, sama ka ba?
You know, in many ways, that was the perfect ending to a perfectly played game for both teams. It could have gone either way. I think both teams, whether FBO obviously came out with the victory, but even Ateneo, they come out with the victory. It's a well-deserved game for FBU, obviously. It's a nice quality game. What a treat for the fans. Okay, we are going to speak with the victors. The triumphant men of the FBU Tamaraos over there at the press room, led by the very energetic coach, Nas Roselas, with the class was not just about now. RR Bogoy with 16 points, and of course, Mac Bello with a game winner, 15 points and 9 rebounds. Okay, please, so likewise, Coach Nash. Coach Nash, congratulations.
Salamat, sorry Miko.
No apologies needed, Coach, but that's. Okay, Coach, I'm going to put you on the spot on this question. We know each other since back in the day when I was in high school. I guess my question for you is, going into the finals, same process. Last year, game-winning basket by Bello. Back in the finals, My question for you, Coach, this year, is this your time?
Pinapatanda mo ako, Christian. You can't say really. Even last year when we were up by a game against NU, nakabalik sila eh. So, wala talaga, hanggang hindi natatapos din, you can say. But, again, that's the ultimate goal for us.
Coach Nash, how tough was it playing Ateneo today?
Very, very, very tough. Especially Kiefer, Wong, making their jumpers. Ang hirap. But our players did really a very good job defending them, challenging their shots, but they were hitting it. So, mahirap. Now looking at Wong, he still has 4 years now to play for Ateneo. It's going to be tough for all of us.
Okay, let's talk to the hero of this game, the guy who put in that game-winning putback. Mac Bello, a TS bankable player, out again, copied by TS Bank Mobile with transactions on the go. Download the app now. Mac, people tinitignan yung stats mo throughout the tournament. At sabi nila, parang nag-dip daw yung numbers mo. Ikaw ba, inaalala mo ba yan, all throughout the year, or was it something na, okay lang, basta panalo yung team?
Hindi naman kasi yun nga yung gusto namin eh, nagpo-contribute yung bawat isa. So, mas focus kasi kami sa defense namin. So,
And then back, ikaw ba nagulat at the end of the, before the buzzer sounded, so tumira si Mike, and then you got the rebound, mag-isa ka na, you went for the putback, nagulat ka ba rin, you were, mag-isa ka na, for that game-winning putback.
nagulat, then nakita ng open. So, ayun, nalo ako na lang.
That's Mike ka ba after the,
Hindi ko na nakalala eh.
so that's fine, yun, ano man, there's proof. Prueba. Okay, let's go to our Bongoy. Congratulations again, Mac Bello, the hero of the game. I think natuloy na siya ng defense. Very triumphant moment there for the Tamaras. Nung kasal din pa lang, ikaw nagdala dun sa FTU, can you trust na si Mike sa si Mac Bello on the bench in the fourth quarter? You felt that and you did it again. Ito na naman, big shot after big shot after big shot, leading to 16 points. Ito ba yung role mo talaga for FTU? Sort of the third member of FTU's big team.
Siguro ito yung role ko sa FPU na makapasok yung tira ko sa labas kasi tinatrap nila kasi si Mike eh, tapos sobrang libre sa labas. Nagbunga naman yung pinaginsayuhan ko yung shooting ko sa outside shooting.
Coach Nash, my question for you again, going into the finals, although sa totoo lang, alam ko na, wala sa sagot ko nito, no? Siyempre, alam na rin, natin yun, AU or UST, sasabihin mo, malamang, pero matchup-wise, sa team mo, sino? Matchup-wise, going against who, sino yung mas favorite nila? Matchup na lang, coach, matchup na lang.
Kahit sino,
Sino mo?
kahit sino mahirap mamimili. Basta siguro, right now we're just happy to be back in the finals. Kung titignan nyo, katabi ko ngayon dito yung two players that did big shots in the end game. But I wanted sana si Mike to be here because he was the one who kept on giving up the ball. Kanina, they were tracking him, but he wasn't selfish. Naging facilitator siya kaya. And doon na libre si Roger and si Russell and si Matt. So, yeah, that's, for us, that's teamwork. That's team play.
Coach Nash, I think we have some more minutes here with you guys. Through the course of the season, before the season, everyone said, all the other coaches pinagtulungan ka. You need to say that to pressure sabi, okay, for you, is the team to beat. Siyempre, agree lahat para ma-pressure kayo. And then, through the course of the year, UST became the story of the season. Unexpected number one with their own team. So parang na-relevant yun as a backstory. I think, did you have a problem with that? Na parang, ba't hindi na tayo yung sinasabing team to beat or inside UST to beat the story of the third?
Actually, we were happy when we lost the first game against UST because after that, biglang sila nagpinagin sa akin. But some things that we don't have control over, biglang nabalik kami dun sa ibabaw. And then people are talking about us again. Until yun nga, natalo na kami sa second round. For us, there's no pressure. There's no pressure at all. Kahit na kami yung sinasabi na supposedly the strongest team here. It's a challenge for all of us. Alam naman namin na pinaghahandaan namin. I think I read it somewhere na sabi nga, may isang tao sabi nga, I don't believe in pressure. Kasi kung may pressure ka lang daw pag hindi mo pinaghahandaan. But preparing for every game.
Okay, let's ask one more question kay RR Open. Certainly deserves to be asked one question. Performance, especially the last 2 games. RR, ano meron ang FPU? Ano meron ng Tamaraos that will allow, help, or make you champions of the UAE games?
Siguro dapat i-involve lahat ng players. Tapos dapat dumidepensa lahat kasi mahirap kasi pag dalawa lang dumidepensa. Dapat lahat dumidepensa. Kaya namin makaabot dun kung ano yung hinahangat namin.
Well, RR, I also know marami kayo dito sa FPU. Graduating, last chance to get that trophy. Ano klaseng emotion ang umada sa isipan mo ngayon knowing that this is a big chance para marami na kayo?
Sobrang sabik talaga na kami kasi ito na talaga yung last chance namin eh. Pag hindi pa namin makuha to, wala na kaming chance na maka-champion dito sa UAP. Kaya sobrang talaga.
Ayan, kompleto na yung victory ni Coach Nash. Mike Colombia, another low-key superstar for this team. Mike, you went for the win in that last play. Wala ka pang katulad-tulad na you were going for that possible game winner in that same play.
Kasi nasa isip ko na yung oras nung time na yun. So, hinihintay ko lang talaga mag-wind down yung oras hanggang dinner.
Okay, Mike, yung resulta nyo this year, pretty much the same. Sinasabi na yung Coach Nash to really appreciate the sacrifice na ginagawa mo for the team of getting at the last for the team. And this is obviously one thing yung maturity na sasabi ni Coach Nash. This year, ending year last year, lalo na papasok ng finals. Natanong ko na rin sa'yo, tanong kay Coach Nash, can you expect a different result?
Sana. Kasi last year ko na eh. So, ibibigay ko na talaga lahat na sabi nga ni Coach Nash, bigay na namin yung 5th year namin sa ngayong tatapos na.
Okay, one more question for the Tamaraos, for Mike Colombia. Mike, I remember last year, ang project ni Coach Nash, Nash, was to convert you into a veteran, a smart, thinking point guard, point general on the floor. Nabuo na ba yung project ni Coach Nash from last year? Kompleto na ba? Tapos na ba yung project and are you ready to win that challenge?
Medyo kulang pa, pero handa naman ako matuto kay Coach Nash na lagi naman niya ako pinagsasabihan din. So, tuto lang din.
Mike Colombia finishing with 13 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists. So congratulations, Mike Colombia, Matt Bello, R.R. Bogol, and head coach.
Okay, ito kayo na.
Ayan. So, Coach, what can you say for the second straight year? Coach, for the second straight year, si Macbelo nagdala sa inyo sa finals.
Siya lang yung naka-shoot nung huling tira. But it was a team effort. Actually, ang daming hindi nababanggit, but guys like Denison who really defended, Monbert Arong, si Tamsi. Okay, so it was really a team effort. Kaya kami siguro nakabagit sa final.
Masasabi mo. Last year, buzzer beater na 3 points. This year naman, buzzer beater na punta. Yung defensive staff namin yung huli yung nagpa-panalo talaga sa ako. Ayun. Then, shot ni Mike. Naputpa ko lang. Guys,
Hindi kasi sinasabi ni Mac, hindi magiging possible yung attack ni Mike and the putback of Mac kung hindi hinabol ni Roger yung last attempt ng Ateneo. Actually, they really had the advantage. Wong was almost straight to the basket pero hindi nag-quit yung mga players namin hinabol to make a stop. That gave us, I think, 7 seconds para maka-attack.
Kasi libre na talaga siya. Tapos parang binangga niya ako kaya na-out of balance siya.
Pero
nasa isip ko na talaga, habulin ko talaga kahit anong mangyari. Basta hindi lang ako mag-foul. Kasi pag na-shoot yun, wala, lamang na sila eh.
Ano sa palagay mo, kaya na yung federation ng
Oo, kaya na sana.
Well, if they, I think I had one more time out. If they made that basket, for sure we will score. Pero tuloy-tuloy yung game. Oh, actually lahat sila eh. Dun sa moment yan, alam nila yung gagawin nila. And because we were, I think the tight, it was a tight ball game. Actually, gumamit pa ng oras ng konti si Mike. He did look for the direct attack. Medyo hinatak niya ng konti, kumain ng oras. And then that's when he attacked. So that shows his maturity because with a tight ball game, with a possession, ang gusto mo is really last shot. Sana meron sa finals. No? I think maturity and character. But those things kasi you build that through time. So I think that's something that we have now. Dahil nagkakakilala na kami lahat, naiintindihan namin yung gusto namin. Sila as players, they now understand what we want as coaches and what we expect from them. So I think I think it's a good thing.
Sobrang saya kasi number one, kapalit ang mga sa finals. So, yan yung pag makita mo yung mga teammates mo na sobrang saya din. Then yung feel community. Yun yung sobrang sarap sa Pilaria. So, kung compare natin sa basketball basket sa ngayon, ano yung mas sarap? This year kasi may chance kami ulit na this year. Pero last year naman, ay, ngayon, ano eh.
Buhay pa tayo.
Buhay
Buhay pa.
tayo. Tapos na yun.
Same. How about sa'yo, Mike? Kasi Cory nagbigay ng parang Cory nagdala ng situation na yun that they allowed Mac to make that shot. Ganun din ba yung feeling na mas
Masaya din. Masaya ako para sa buong team na nakahibig.
Can we say na si Macbeth ay parang Mr. Heartbreaker kasi
Actually, tell you honestly, kanina na nakashoot siya ng huli. Akala ko si Ray Marcos ay nakashoot. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung nalaman na si Macbeth. Hindi ko alam, basta nakita ko lang may
pumasok?
oh, tapos tumakbo na ako sa kabilang side ko. So, handshake. Tapos si Macbeth.
Next question.
Coach, 43 points.
This year, kasi first time. Then, same answer lang.
Na yung players kasi namin trained sila to forget what's behind them. Lagi kami pushing forward. So, Kiefer played hell of a season. Von Quesumar. Actually, Coach Po led this team to the best of his ability. I think they overachieved. I think they're overachievers this season. And I think it's going to be tough sa future. Underdog. Actually, dalawa eh. Number one, twice this year, give an chance to follow. At the same time, we also want to play NU because they beat you last year. So, kahit sino. We'll be ready for Wednesday if we play.
Mike, you played with Keeper before. Ano masasabi mo now that he's ending his collegiate career?
Ako sobrang proud of ng teammate ko kasi nung naalala ko yung teammate ko lang siya dati sa RPU, ang dami ko nang natutunan sa kanya. So natutuwa ako na lalo pa siya magaling. Siya rin naging may congratulations.
Coach, wala pa lang pumasok sa medical game. Yan ba yung sabi niya na ipasabi na yung balance talaga ng staff?
We talked about it yesterday sa practice namin. Actually, we have tarp dun sa check my Instagram account. No, nakalagay lang doon. Sa amin kasi, hindi nagmamatter sa amin who gets a credit. So, ang importante sa amin, yung team ang umakyat. Also kay Keeper, we had an exchange yesterday. Text message kami kahapon. Sabi ko, Keith, nakapag-champion ka na naman sa AAP, hayaan mo na kami. Sabi niya, Coach, this is my last year. Sabi ko sa PBA